So if we're coming out to your house to give some options maybe for replacing the furnace or maybe installing a ductless heat pump or anything like that, a few things that you can kind of prepare and get ready to help make sure that we're getting the best solution for you is make sure that your crawl space is accessible. We like to get down in the crawl space, check out the ductwork, get up in the attic, make sure the attic access is accessible. And we really like to go in there, check everything, making sure everything's connected and everything like that. Another thing too is if you have any hot and cold spots in your home, make sure to show our comfort consultant when they go out there, hey, this part of the home isn't very comfortable and maybe this part is too hot or too cold. The more information that they have, the better. Maybe another thing would be, hey, we're planning on adding an addition to our home, or we're going to be having maybe a mother-in-law stay with us or something like that, and she likes it a certain temperature. All these things are really good for us to know when we're coming in to make sure that we can really give you the best comfort solution for your home.